Chuki beat.
Realme Pad X just launched before 2 days. 11-inch huge screen, 6nm mid-segment processor, slim in design, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I will show you the unboxing of the Realme Pad X and give you my first impression. Hey guys, Maiky from the techmaiky. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. We have start with a quick unboxing just to show you the box content. In the box you get the Realme Pad X tablet, some documentation, SIM ejector tool, 33W power adapter with max output of 11W 2A, Type-C to A cable and Realme magnetic stylus pen. Now let's talk about the display. The front of the Realme Pad X is equipped with the 11-inch IPS LCD full screen display. The screen aspect ratio is 5:3 and the screen to body ratio reaches 84.6%. The resolution is 1200 by 2000 and it supports 16.7 million color display. Colors and sharpness are good across the screen. However, the screen does not support the high refresh rate but supports the video color enhancement, which can play a role in the color contrast and the brightness of the video. Even if you're watching the non-HDR content, it has a good visual color. At the same time, the Realme Pad X has also obtained the blue light eye protection certifications. It supports features such as the DC dimming on sunlight. Let's talk about the design and build. In terms of the middle frame, the Realme Pad X is made of the plastic, but it has been frosted. The top is volume button and the magnetic charging module, and the bottom is SD card expansion slot. Power button is on the top and Type-C interface is on the bottom side. It also has a total of 4 speakers which have been certified by the Dolby Atmos and Hi-Res audio, which performs better than ordinary 4 speakers based on the Smart PA technology. The sense of the hearing is comparable to the surround sound, so its sound quality. The level is similar to the some high-end tablets on the market. In addition, the thickness of the entire plate is only 7.1 mm, so the weight is only 499 grams, which is much better than of metal in terms of weight. There are 3 color options: grey, blue and green. Now let's talk about the performance. The Realme Pad X is equipped with the Qualcomm's new generation of 6 series mobile platform based on TSMC's 6nm process technology, the Snapdragon 695. The running score is 390,000 plus. The flash memory uses the UFS 2.2 and the read and write speed is slightly slower. This performance is considered entry-level at present. However, in terms of the game, the Realme Pad X still inherits the consistent game features on Realme, supporting extreme frame stabilization and touch optimization. For example, Honor of King can run at 60 FPS, while medium and high load game like PUBG Mobile can run to 40 FPS. So the whole machine is completely sufficient for daily lightweight games. In terms of the charging and battery life, the Realme Pad X is equipped with the 8340 mAh battery and supports 33W smart flash charging. Since the Snapdragon 695 itself is a power efficient processor, its battery life is also very strong and the standby time is only short. It has reached 1143.7 hours. Video playback time is reached up to 19.12 hours. And the file processing can reach 23.37 hours. Although the Realme Pad X comes with the 33W fast charging head, and the Realme Pad X also supports reverse charging. While your phone is out of power, you can use a data cable to connect your phone and tablet for reverse charging. At this time, the tablet can become a power bank. Now let's talk about the OS. The Realme Pad X is powered by the Realme UI 3.04 pad, which is deeply customized based on the Android 12 and is fully optimized for the large screen display. Realme Pad X supports interconnection with the various devices such as the watches, earphones, smartphone, etc. So the entire ecology is relatively complete in terms of the connection. As long as it is under the same Wi-Fi network, the actual interconnection experience is still very smooth. And you can drag and drop files to transfer files and the transmission speed is relatively fast. In addition, this function is only need to be a connection once. Functions such as application split screen, free floating window and smart sidebar can be set to be easy on the big screen. The Realme Tablet X also has a lot of accessories that can help you achieve a higher work efficiency. The Realme magnetic stylus can be used in scenes such as drawing, writing, learning, and it can charge wirelessly to meet the need of long-term use. With 4096 level pressure sensitivity like a real pen touch experience, and the pen tip light up the screen quickly, waking up and write. You can see the comparison with the Apple Pencil. You see the latency issue while drawing the line. Now let's talk about the price. Realme Pad X base variant price in China is around 1299 yuan. If you converted in pound is around 154 pound. You will get the buying link in the description section soon. As a tablet with the price of 150 pound, the Realme Pad X can be said to fill the gap in the market and give a consumer another choice. Although the screen does not support the high refresh rate, but the quality of the entire screen is still quite good. Batteries, 4 speakers, smart interconnection and rich accessories for those users who use lightweight. Realme Pad X is the most convenient service for the least amount of money. So what you guys think about it? What is the max you pay for the Realme Pad X? Tell your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, just comment below and we will answer them soon. Also give the video thumbs up and make sure to share with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Chuki beat.